that's the style. Just gonna peel off this skin here.
Welcome to another fishing adventure. We need something for the grill, so let's see what we can get.
Smells so good. Greetings, greetings. Look at this. Can this jellyfish stop bite me up? Stop kissing me?
If you don't know what I'm talking about, well, this is a jellyfish. Not the ones that stung me. No, I probably wouldn't have survived this one. No, ours are much smaller. There are many types of jellyfish. They are boneless, brainless, and bloodless, and look like jelly, hence their name. Some are even deadly, but don't worry, we don't have those in our waters, thank God. We have like the comb jelly, moon jelly, or the sea wasp, to name a few. They got me really good this time. That was actually during Easter time, so yes, they have their season. Have you ever been stung by a jellyfish?
And give me jellyfish ickies? Yes, I don't want it. And all over, and my neck, and everywhere. Of course, at night when you want to try to sleep, it flares up and it starts scratch. Ooh, you want to see what I see? Lovely. This is happiness. We're looking at happiness. Yeah, right there, right there. Look at happiness. Yes. So I'm joining the guys. I think I'll let me meet them down there. I mean, look. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Yes. Today's what? Sunday? No, today's not Sunday. Today is Monday. Yeah. Hopefully can come out with a nice catch. Kwesi? All right. I'm gonna join them. All right, cool. Later. I think Superman and Kwesi already there. Huh? Come now? Yes. You left it and look at the sea. You see how it look nice? All right, later. More nice views for you guys. Yeah, I love it. I cannot get. Guys. I pass here every day, and every day I'm like, oh my God, this is so beautiful. I cannot get enough of this. Never ever. Ocean addict. All right, let's see. Sniper them and marksman them. They're there. We have net as a support, so it's supposed to be good. Ready like Freddy. Greetings. Hey. Oh, man.
Did you two know she's a mermaid?
Yeah. Oh. No, you can't drown a mermaid. Which part?
Meant for the water, no?
I can go there without the fin, you know. I'm not do me.
You see this mermaid, bro.
Yeah.
Like when you're feeling a bit of this spot.
That's nice.
I like Philip, brother.
I'm gonna wear this because I think I got enough ickies from those jellyfish. I don't want no more. All right, everything cover up.
Cannot seem to get to me. I am back with a stolen identity. You know I see through anything. I'm a one-man army with a bitter sting. You give me no reasons. I'm broken to pieces. There's no one who can erase.
So before we go back to and get the net, let's roast some fish. Yeah, that's how we do it. That's how we do it on this beautiful day. And I love it. I could do this all day long. Just roast fish.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Me happy Jessica lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nice, fresh catch.
This one. So now get water straight.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Alright. I will need it because the way you know swim up and down. Like when I train for the Olympics.
Yeah.
People, there's a lot of swimming here with these people here. Superman has me swimming up and down. Sorry for you. That's the style. Just gonna peel off this skin here. And then we're going out again. Yes, so we're just here having a little break. And then we see what's on the line. Yeah. But, yep, I'm a little hungry right now. Yeah, you sure you want it?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Fish roast are ready.
No seasoning, just like that, and it's delicious. If you ever get the chance to taste fish like that, fresh and just on the fire, don't need no seasoning, none at all. So good. Some energy because to keep up with these guys, I don't know, it's hard. They swim so fast. Look at this tender meat, nice and juicy. Yep. Nice. Yum. Alright, my people, and that was another day. I swear, a couple of more swimming like this and I can sign up for Olympics because the amount of swimming. Anyway, it was all worth it. A lot of fish, a big igloo. Alright, see them. Alright, everybody gone home now. I walk home and yeah, put the fish in the freezer and we're good to go. Yes, people, we are back and I'm not sure what we're gonna do. I have lobster, I have perch, I have lionfish. Let's see what we're gonna do today. I want to put something on the grill. Yes, catch and cook. Yes, people, this smells so good. Yes. What about you? Huh? You always want to be everywhere. Copy. I wish you could smell this. So yeah, I did a little seasoning, a seasoning mix, a little all-purpose fish seasoning, jerk seasoning, herbs and garlic and salt and black pepper and lime. I'm gonna have some roast potato with this roast fish on the grill. I cannot wait to try this and dig into this perch. Yes. Yeah, this looks so nice. Man, I wish you guys could smell this. This smells so good. All right. The peeled ones? The peeled ones are cheaper.